trash pickup day. They're working, folks, they're working. Look, the shovel is working. Look to the right. They're out here working. They're in the snow. They're working. Look at them. A pipeline is being dug, even in the snow. Steve 84L reporting, St. Jude 73.